Did you know that e-commerce sales are projected to reach an over $6 trillion by end of 2024? That's an insane amount of growth. With this booming market, there's never been a better time to jump into fulfillment services business. So grab a cup of chai, sit back and let's dive into the world of fulfillment center business. Exactly is a fulfillment center? It's basically where all the magic happens when you order something online. These centers handle everything from storage to shipping. With e-commerce on the rise, 2024 is shaping up to be a fantastic year to start your own fulfillment center. So today I'll walk you through what you need to know to turn your business dreams into a reality. So let's start with the basics. What exactly is a fulfillment center? In simple terms, it's a warehouse that companies use to store and ship their products. When an order comes in, the fulfillment center picks, packs and ships the product directly to the customer. This is a crucial and the basic part of e-commerce. Now you might be asking yourself, why should I even consider starting a fulfillment center? So here are a few reasons. Growing e-commerce market with online shopping just booming, the demand for fulfillment services is just skyrocketing. Recurring revenue, once you establish clients, you can enjoy a steady income stream from ongoing orders. Flexible and scalable business model, which is most essential. You can start small and scale up as demand rises or according to your bandwidth. So ready to get started? Here's step-by-step guide to launching your own fulfillment center. Market research. First up, competition. There are a ton of established players already in the game and standing out can be a little tricky. You got to do your own market research. Understand who your competitors are and what services they are offering at what cost. This point is a deal maker or a deal breaker. Like they say, the army that prepares most in peace bleeds less in war. That beautifully applies here. The more in-depth research of your competitors you do, the more grasp you will get of the business, the more feel, the more pulse you will get out of it. Identify your target market, understand their needs. Are you focusing on small businesses, larger retailers, or a specific niche? Second one is location. Location is crucial. You want to be close to your customer base and major shipping routes. If you take drive in any industrial area, in most urban centers, you can easily find best location options. Or near transport centers like railways or highways or airports. Choose a strategic location close to your target customers to reduce shipping times and costs. Next is getting the right equipment. Now at this point, let's talk about tech. Investment in the right technology is essential for tracking inventory, processing orders and managing the logistics. Think about software that can automate your processes, logistics, that is like managing inventory, shipping, handling returns, as that can get complicated very fast. Technology can definitely make your life a lot easier. Invest in shelving, packaging supplies, just to name a few. Hire a team. Depending on your scale, you may need to hire staff for picking, packing and customer service. Develop partnerships. Collaborate with shipping carriers to get the best rates. Shipping delays. Build relationships with multiple carriers to mitigate risk. Customer expectations. Set clear communication with clients about delivery times and your or their processes. Apparently perceivable challenges which I see, which can be inventory management. So you have to invest in a robust software to track inventory in real time. And don't forget about initial investment cost. You need to think about renting a facility. So to wrap things up, starting a fulfillment center in 2024 can be a lucrative venture if you approach it the right way. We've covered the challenges, the key steps. Remember, thorough research, strategic planning, and the right technology can set you on the path to success. So what do you think about starting a fulfillment center? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and let's chat. And don't forget to check out my other videos where I dive deeper into Canadian or North American per se businesses and life. So until next time, keep sipping on that chai and stay tuned for more exciting content. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Meanwhile, have a good one.